Welcome to the RYSE Hotel. We stay 2 nights here. Come along for a tour of the room. This hotel is hip and modern. When you walk in, it immediately opens up to the room, and you have this comfortable king-size bed and a big TV, which has quite a few Western options, not just all these K-pop shows, but it has those too. And you have a work area. They give you 2 masks to keep your skin soft. You have your outlets and the lights that control the room, and this cute little lamp. Next to the bed is the closet with some hangers and a place to put your luggage and shoes. There's a safe where you can store your personal items. They have really funky artwork. And you come over and look out the window and have a great view of the city. You have this little sitting area with these plushy pillows and more of the fun artwork. Oh, and they give you some fish chip snacks. And over here is this cool looking clock in your kettle where you can boil water for your tea and coffee. And they also give you tea and coffee in 2 mugs and glasses. Underneath is your refrigerator where they provide you with a bottle of water every day. Over by the door, they have this shelf where you can put your purse and belongings, and they give you some hand wipes. And then the bathroom. This bathroom is nice. You have these really fluffy robes and the amazing Asian toilet. The sink area is really modern with this cool mirror and magnifying mirror, and you have hand soap and lotion, and you have an amenity bag. And the shower is huge with a rainfall shower head and a wand. You have your shampoo, conditioner, and gel, and you have a place to sit to wash off or shave your legs. Wrapping up our tour, this hotel was hip and modern and just an amazing place to stay. It's just around the corner from everything to do in Hongdae. We definitely enjoyed our 2 nights here. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tour was helpful.